Click the PDF icon or select PDF Utility from the button Template drop-down menu to start the utility. The default saving folder is displayed. Click the three dots to choose a different folder. The file name defaults to date and time. Click Setup to choose a different format or add a prefix and numbering scheme. Click OK to save. Under File Format, assign a PDF type for each mode: Standard or Searchable PDF. Click Configure to view advanced options. Under Scan Type, the default is Duplex for double-sided scanning. You can also select front side or rear side for single-sided scans. Under Page Size, the default's to Automatic. Choose a different size if your document uses a special format. Under Scan Mode, the default is gray. Change it to Auto for automatic color detection or select a specific mode. Choose a resolution from the drop-down menu. 200 to 300 dpi is sufficient for most Office documents. Adjust image settings as needed. For example, modifying brightness and contrast improves clarity. Under Page Settings, Auto Rotate is on by default. Configure if pages have different orientations. Apply image processing features, such as character enhancement, to improve text clarity. Click Apply to save all scan settings to the PDF Utility button. Press the PDF icon or the corresponding scanner button to start scanning. Your PDF is ready. View the result with your selected settings.